In Metabase version 61, we released a Git-based content editing workflow. So think dashboards as code, where you can create, edit, and manage your Metabase content all in your favorite code editor with AI. Let me show you. Let's talk about the setup. So the first thing is go to Metabase and you're going to enable remote sync, get that set up, and then let's open up a code editor. You're going to need to create a .metadata folder. Then we're going to create a .env and you're going to put in there your Metabase URL and your Metabase API key. Once you have that, we have to add a couple skills. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. The three skills that we want is this Metabase database metadata. This is going to fetch the metadata for us. We want this Metabase representation format. This lets Claude know how to work with our YAML files and how to edit them. And then the Metabase semantic checker. And that one just checks to make sure our YAML looks good. So got those installed, so you'll see that we have this .claude folder, and here's our skills, so you can take a look at those. Awesome. So now our setup is complete, and we can do the fun part. So I'm going to go ahead and copy a prompt over. Let's open up Claude, and the first thing we're going to do is fetch database metadata. So that's going to use a skill, but that's going to get all the Metabase metadata for us. This doesn't take too long. If it does, I'll fast forward the video. Oh, okay, it's already done. It fetched one database, 8 tables, 71 fields. So if I go to metadata here, you can see here's databases, and I have my schemas, and they're all YAML files here that I can take a look at. Cool. Now let's grab a new prompt. I'm going to paste this in. This says create a new collection called AI created and a dashboard about orders. So pretty vague, but let's fire it off and see what happens. I'll fast forward and come back in a minute. Awesome, it's done. It created everything, it validated it. If we go ahead and collapse this folder, we can go to collections. Here's our collection AI created that we asked for. Here's our orders dashboard, so you can see the YAML files that it created. And so now let's go ahead and stage these changes. So we'll just go ahead and stage, and I'll say orders dashboard, and then we'll commit this. Let's go ahead and publish that branch. Then I'll jump over to GitHub, and we can come over here to compare and pull request. We're going to create pull request. You can see, go over here if you want to check the files. Cool. And let's go ahead and say merge pull request and confirm merge. Awesome. So now we merge those changes, so we can jump over to Metabase now, and we'll go over to the main app. And if I come over here, you can see we have pull changes down. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's importing the content, and you can see here we have an AI created collection and an orders dashboard. You can even click on a bar and have drill through. So all the same functionality. Now you have a working dashboard just from a prompt. Make sure you check out the docs to learn more. Cheers!